McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Petto. McBrown's kitchen. Brina so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello, Adeshimima. Me mama tsena say me cheche munyina. Baby a wo hwe me free bia. Me chia osronko. Me da say so hwe McBrown's kitchen man. Enne me ne me nua bi na ba ye aduane no. Na o hwe me level ne me 2-pack asem me ya. Na wo say or you feeling sister ane. Mama me da boafo ase ansa na my friend no nya no aduane no. And until me the high sense I say everyday prices for everyday people. High sense new year ye ne mo na edie. And until still ko showroom na ko gide wo here bia. Me da say me da tasty tom and rich tomato mix I say. Ye dey ye jollof na ye dey ye stew na ye dey ye nkwan. And net me gide se me aduane a me be die tasty tom tasty tom damwase mama fisher pasronko sana me da awake purified drinking water enunnie one is for life said ye da bia ye ka no dodo bia obeto bia no kasa preko eyi mu bi edeko cardiothoracic center kolebu ekoboa emagana manyina enya somfaso awake ye damwase and a launcher kitchen said ye da bia omu ye no me se mi jadi hwe still strong Launcher and sano. Launcher me da umu ase dodo. Sana me da royal aroma rice ya se. E more vitamins womu. Na eso ebusuye nyina so. Yade ya mutio. Yade ya rice water. Yade ya jollof. Yade ya muni ya ngwa. Trese bibia rice. Eye royal aroma. Me da delay sardine. Delay mackerel. And then spaghetti. Efia yada se bebre. Sana me da royal kitchenware official Ghana say Royal Kitchen official Ghana yeda mo say e chance papa e de no aduane ma ne ya akono de eno ane Royal Kitchen where official Ghana abusua me da Borges olive oil ase Borges ya nwa ye die adokote se nyina agi atum say e number 1 olive emu like olive mu ye twe olive ye woni de so Borges e number 1 olive ni be a promise ye ka promise na say olive de be biafra and I would olive oil na yeton no but open number 1 enya promise no ane Borges me da omu ase Obapa Company Limited a company bia omu dia organic food nko a omu jene ni ohwe jene na fe omu garlic ni and omu ginger ni de ba be ye aduane Obapa Company Limited ye da mo ase I was for Nana McBrown and my funky. Me Trini Queen Beauty Supply, Massachusetts, America. And the brand Queen Midawasi. Many makeup ya Legina makeover. And then Nesomata dear Miamedia. And into me chame huaba. I was official pa. And nunti me quine. Namija wafon crato. Eba. McBrown's kitchen. Diane Pedo. Me basisia. Brim.
2351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Ghana for high sense domosibe bray. Neti through anya pomudi adwuma ye for. Corona yare ba ye. Woni ye dini ye. Ye koso asre se. Abanse se odi egu akwam no. Ye nkoso na ye niso. Ye yie di entra. Se wo home appliances a efe na eche ne bo da form afa entwe power. You bia be kan bia oboa. Eno ane high sense. High sense nema aye direct from factory. Ya na ye. Inti yetimi promotion abre bia. High sense product abeto Ghana no. And one beto Germany and America. Your fridge, air condition, TV, washing machine, gas cooker, blender, rice cooker, mobile phones, sound system, and the break home. You have 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. Yeniamano, ya tete swama muse. Say yeah, no nose mask, no entry. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay, then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says,
What?
What are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
My daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's kitchen ebusiafo aduane pa ede aboafo nkra nya atwa guadi ani eso de aduane no be hihye so enne me nua bi a wonim no ena eba you see she is one of the people who pave way ema youngsters na wo mo banansen no wo mo so aide abedi mu bi what you say and na ye shada ni man nyomtofo a wo ye funkisa until herself and few others came in. And menino never ye Diani. It's a kind of bronye Diani, New Year Diani. Come on, DJ Mammy Yum. Nah, one some mammy, DJ Anina Wangaza.
Bend down,
My goodness!
Easy, baby.
Oh my God!
Where a guy. He's back to 10 years.
Back, easy, baby.
Yeah.
Easy, I don't mind me. Wow. Hey, what mama call for more?
I go from pa. We a guy Bendalo now.
Tribe you.
Yanko.
So zumpe.
Oh, wait a minute.
And then a Bendalo.
Bendalo. Hey, guy.
Wow.
It's so good to see you. So good to see you. Hi, Papa.
How many years?
10.
Me who watch.
A Japan. When was the last time you were movie awards?
Yes.
Bache. I think like 3-4 years ago.
I'm happy to have you on my.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you. And I see social distance.
Corona.
And you know, yes, yeah, and to me, also, yeah. I was your easy baby. What you see, and then McBrown's kitchen. And now, I had say, Mammy Romesa. Me we peno no so aba na fei botaya no ntiowano ye dia hyehyɛ edu hand washing segment here no one say tasty tom enriched tomato mix adaroma enam timi de brewo na komo no nyina ne say McBrown's kitchen, it tasty to me about chow. Yes, row. Young swan near face mask. Your refi and hookah and pat. Me do a random refi with sign and names are also a 2D war, but then you're too late. Me pacho p. Pensione some now runs. I said, yeah, my come on. Ne bon buying bio by using hand sanitizer and a face mask. Shana be apart from say, Sabi, would damn wokumu. And nuntino me strow did ye num siopi da. Na enye fe embua ye nyina tasty tom enrich tomato mix ye da mo ase oh Mildred pacho me wie
Me hoso thank you
to the shower baba udun sa shower baba
oh
aye
just make a person
easy baby
bend down low
hey easy and mania just mania McBrown's kitchen I'm not lying
thank you
and thank you for sending me for and what is one mommy ambre
oh the na yawo na nama what he say o fra ya na me wa ha
wow easy who to be the show ha na me pacho na ye be no ade on McBrown's kitchen so
oh and there's something very simple me obi a me pet good health nutrients. Into ya mental shed and once in a while be able to say me fried chicken in yama but me pe soup, me pe quine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me pe quine a lot into me pe freshies into na me light soup, chicken light pepper soup, na me the chicken be shishimo. And a little bit of curry rice.
Oh, okay.
Very simple.
Chicken light pepper soup. That's a very light.
Very light.
And more pepper. Alongside the chicken.
Yes.
Against curry rice.
Yes.
Wow.
A combination. I'm not sure a lot of people do it, but my friend easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
You're right. I think say Diana no enya ba kofo. In the wajade. Ubia wajade into ubia a perfect one in the kitchen. But remember say Diana no ati sa ta say obi shene yo fe awozu wakofa no akwa ana se wetwa ho kakra no enti no sa na diane no atie enne Ghana fo be hwe diane no masua no ma ye bi wo fie
mate
it's easy your ingredients
okay your ingredients no your chicken fresh chicken e wa ha it's also grounded garlic grounded ginger fresh red pepper tomatoes onions into wow to me. Wow. And me pese me spicy chicken and sana me dey soup ne maybe mo dey corner direct.
Okay.
The chicken straight into
me pato be spicy. E say dey can vim no. Say dey easy aduane ne tie no it's not too much of a work.
No, it's not. It's
but
very
you're going to have a good result.
It's very
and
simple.
And a very healthy food as well.
Very healthy. That's the most important thing. Inti newo ha no me wo cubes be any chicken stock.
Okay.
And a paposhito, dem paposhito. So me amato nyom twe me say paposhito.
Paposhito inti no nye wa so the baby paposhito betuma mama di.
Yes. And a way iridated salt.
Okay.
Way powdered ginger, powdered garlic and a chili pepper. Inti ebi mo wo ha omo ye like super. Omo the chicken ne share pan dem straight and so no more blending.
Okay.
Me ya na me pese me spicy chicken no.
Okay.
Me pese spices me cut chicken no na nkasa, not just the soup.
Okay.
Before I transfer. See, today will be very simple, very fast, but I'm sure everybody will like it.
Hey, easy baby. Once everything is at ease, you have to feel at ease.
Easy peasy.
To enjoy easy peasy today. It's easy peasy. You better shasi.
Yeah, shasi.
Where I have to blend something, you give me, I'll blend it.
Oh, okay.
But we start from where?
Yeah, I'm going to wash my chicken. I like to wash it. Make sure
that about also hohro.
Once one kasa way na we who say
hohro.
See.
Me bunsu no hohro Mildred
Ashon. Patrai.
Nkamembeka Ashon.
Maybe Ashon ye fancy.
Okay.
Ashon e yen cry.
Okay.
Me yen cry name. ASHONG.
Okay.
Yes. As open ya hina ebidi.
Any pa mensa.
And I said to be okay. Never 6 sir.
No my extra be ada so se bua na kwano.
Na koye de.
Na ope mo nam.
E be ye de so.
Okay. Na ka odi tu bi so kan ho akam papa. Em kan e bi ka. Adrada no pa wo de ye o carry light soup bia.
Nice one.
Nice one. Ka ya media.
Oh, what the coffee? Na ka bi so pese be di coffee. Ada say.
And then for nam ni na we practice here we e be kon.
Okay. Yes.
So open another washer in Siwa.
Pachoing.
Wow.
First, Hold on.
Easy, baby. When is it?
Pana.
But your pan them ready.
Yeah, wait so. We made the soup nankasa.
Soup
nankasa. Small one. Made the steamy chicken.
We steam the chicken before the soup. Yes, steam was soup boil. This size.
And so now make us 7% spices ne revrimu and sana soup nankasa.
And remember way.
That will do. That's perfect.
That is perfect.
Thank you.
So the opposite. That's a children.
Yes. Spices ne kumu proper.
Okay. It is clean.
It's clean.
Everything. It's clean.
Thank you.
Wow.
To be really, really fast.
Mildred.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Oka Ashon, that's how you can you.
Pachoy. If you didn't Arana.
Arana.
Yes.
Hey, Arana. To your thing.
Your job.
Easy, no, I can't trim.
I can't be at him.
Yes. Me name that's how you crying.
Pachoy and crying pa. In Ryoga. What denche.
Into when you knew whatever. Boy, when you knew England.
I see when you knew England.
That's a winning way.
When you know, oh, me, you know, I cry. Me, you were me hometown, but me free announcer. Announcer a Ben Jamestown, Bukom Horside. A honor me free. Yeah, but it's a team of Greater Accra. Accra here.
Here in Greater Accra.
Official town, Dakuman. We need Dakuman, we official town.
Easy, baby.
Me a town girl, pound.
Minim da.
Oh, be a town girl.
That's a chrome crowd, Ubufu of Fiatman and to go chromo.
Why are Jamestown?
And I make it.
Oh, money na boy, Jimmy.
In the cat way again.
It's the same day. Me spices like a crabby shishimo.
So you know, said you open. I said there was spice before the soup, and I like it.
Usually, once a year, home economics was school. Now me person me air hostess, and so I found out there were different ways to make chicken.
Okay.
You know, feel more spicy.
Powder.
Yes, into ginger powder and a crana with the ashimo.
And sana.
Now with the garlic powder nini.
Easy, baby.
Kakra, just a little bit in there, right?
Okay.
A little bit of
salt.
Just a little bit. So I can say those.
Okay.
Now make you try onions kakra egusu.
Wow.
And no spices ne ko chicken no more. It's in the from soup no. We yi nam ne free soup no more early. When you chew the chicken, you still taste the spices in the chicken.
It's true.
Just a little bit.
I bet spicy.
So and check say like 10
minutes. We know
10 minutes. Thank you.
Hey. Easy.
Yes, dear.
We are cranny.
Pachoy.
Who goes school in Bibi our cranny?
But
your school ben our call.
Me started from St. Anthony's JSS.
Oh, okay.
Primary and JSS. Me call Hori and me call Infantiman girls and to me a sides girl. And St. Anthony's day, a host of the energy war. Well, of course, I school ni bia unim say. In this year shipan.
Yeah.
And I me call Infantiman girls. And to me call
Menso.
Pachoy, yes. Yeah, that's something.
You're funny, you know. I'm quite a about internet campus or then I'm never become. I'm quite
no problem. I'll add some and it's not too late, auntie. My main what should be.
Young we. Where's your young soil? Monsieur, so our partner, there we go. So, yeah, the chicken will be a home. And more there.
Ginger, dear, me pe ginger pan. Protein more. It's nice.
And then garlic powder, no kind.
Yes.
And
then just a little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt. Sesa.
And then this is where I put 2 or 3 of my papushito onto that. Before. Into ingredients now, we'll be using for soup, no? It's just about the same. It's not that much. Oh, pineapple.
Easy,
Let me add a little bit of water.
Okay. Wow. Bend down low. Easy, bend down low.
Modia yana. Pachomenya bibi dia stay.
Hey, bibi wo. Bibi baby.
Thank you.
salt.
Yeah, me this spoon here, I mean to me chin papa.
Aye.
I think this is fine.
Okay.
See, carry no. Color cake never man no.
Oh.
Remember general affair. A little tip be I was school. Just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Inti be an obi say mo na was say white no.
As I was
yellow bisa church ne ho bisa.
Yes, I was McBrown's.
Well, how you guy? Yes, soup ninti. Yeah, you say so bebre. We don't want the rice to be too soft.
Yeah.
It's better when it's made hard than too soft.
Okay.
So
yeah,
my
chicken so ehun ho.
Yeah, chicken no. Yeah, me training anya 100% perfect. Ndu ka say no no. Me dream ho me say. Oh, this is fine. Me dream ho me say yeah no.
Aye, you come from.
You better than na kakra. Just to make sure say.
Wow.
It has gone
chicken
inside.
Asem hu say anya too hard.
No, it's not. It's perfect actually.
Okay. Because I'm very too bebre.
Yes.
Giddy.
At all.
Wow. And to say
okay. Normal way to do it. Obi the tree na ya say we put the chicken straight into the pan and then blend the stuff and put the soup in. But I like to make sure that the chicken is a little sauteed. Cook the blood out, penetrate it with spices before putting it in the pot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not
too much of it. Later on.
Okay.
Easy,
baby. Mildred.
Yes, dear.
Chicken so na spices
blend it. Yeah. Light soup no.
And
pepper soup no.
Blend it. Chucha mami.
Mate.
The person blend be a chucha gua.
Mate.
Mildred. Me punch. Wako school papa. Said the obubodi India.
Aye. No, St. Anthony's dear junior high school ni me year normal. Infantiman girls me home economics and me year elective biology. And I'm here and I'm call Ghana Institute of Languages. Na me person me was this.
Yes.
It's me could see French ne Spanish. But Vanessa me call and almost say that was the time Ghana Airways was being sold. Into Juma ni ho. And I'm a started marketing at Institute of Professional Studies.
Okay.
Into my second year,
Mr. D.
But I started at Institute of Professional Studies.
Okay.
Into second year, and I call London. I got to so was sim. Me year sim, and I graduated 2008, and I back to Ghana.
And I'm a shiny master.
Me buy and I started.
It's say. Uko school near that in the year who's a autonom.
Oh, Infantiman girls, na me enter P.
Entertainment.
Internet entertainment, no. Me more. But just say, parents always want you to have the highest level of education before. So I did that. Into me me buy na reach here my downfall. Na me started say me co studio kaka.
Wow.
And first single ebemu. So that's about it.
Chichabrana. Strategy is very simple.
Yep.
We are the account.
See, open in time. You can do this. Wow, one person will see me chicken. No, it even makes it easier.
Okay.
You put your chicken. Yes, dear.
It is a buy and no. Richie, you are down for no. Now reaching himself to him that Dana.
Time I go studio no. I say like, Omotunium kakrana, me OJ Black asem. Wait to kakrana me my backup. Wait chiho. I know who say hey girl a guy pa.
Even we are down for now. We in studio.
Yes, that time na me real school. Na me koba. Inti no anim say o me real school. Me pese me music. Okay. Yes, so. That's how we started. Usually, may you see full onion, but it may try half that auntie. I'll just take another half on here. Yeah.
What should I pay Jenny Pio?
Not really at all. I won't say a spicy when it's so that with Jenny. No. So we'll do this onions. Yeah. So you blend your tomatoes, onions.
Okay.
And then here, I can actually just start adding some garlic. I like garlic a lot.
Add everything.
It's very healthy.
What's a pepper soup? Open craft for pepper.
Pepper need a begumu.
There's a media day for you. And then you can say a chicken like pepper soup. It's me, I can't find pepper soup.
Soup way or malaria.
Light soup.
We are real. We lose the appetite. Whatever it is, try the soup.
Okay.
I ready in a beko. I try it. This is just a little bit of ginger.
Wow.
Pepper.
Oh, baby, a high sense blender. Easy.
The way you try it.
Yeah.
Try. Hot pepper.
Oh, where you be a few?
You be a few. Remember, share level now. Or me check your pepper now.
Auntie Pepe Ebe Cajon. Wow. Wow. Go. Ready. Wangaza.
Bendalu.
Hey, isn't Passan Kamane show? Oh, Kafra.
Oh, we are used to this, so.
Pacho.
Kitchen, yeah, very used to it.
Carry powder, no. No. Assassin by a so.
It's very, very, it smells really, really nice. And it's your whole core, baby, saying, hey, no waiting. A small curry, small curry rice. So, just to make sure, insuno.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
And you're back cat. So,
it's fine.
So, I was young quine and Casano. Ebe Shasi. Easy with the abba.
Thank you. So, I'll turn this off. If you can turn this off.
Two and so many.
Now, I'm on package.
There be sure.
On package, easy.
Come on, McBrown's version on Sahonia de Debbie. And when you.
Thank you. Everything is perfect.
So, I won't pay once I'm cramming my way and now, dear.
Okay.
I get my house so I know do it. Okay. Into ye nam no.
Yep.
It's woman dear she am see me proud. Okay, we quite.
Yes, sao.
But what do you need?
You matter.
Wow.
See, I'm just going to transfer chicken. Everything.
Into busu kwan na nkasa no. Maybe dear no. Oh, enye. And kwan na mistress say ye be wo fie no. Enye. Easy, baby.
From here, no be the cube. Any seasoning, sauce, wawope, you can use it. Obia wanted here. Maybe you see me cube, no. I break it on like so.
Oh, easy, baby. Come on, man.
Thank you. May you see one for now.
Okay.
Nah, may washing inside. And
then
little bit of
the
pepper. Papa, you don't get Emma smell, no?
Okay.
Open a kakak. Boop.
Say yeah. Okay.
So now I'm going to sieve my mixture in there and our soup starts.
Hey, easy. And then me kona nka baby miles you be deeper. Enti me ye bi na mate so.
Yes.
Na mate me kona so ama no. Ai. Me ye bi ofie. Sifin no. Me ma double sifin.
We are fine.
Enti sifin.
Oh, yes, soup we dey endorse but
That's why they kakrebi.
Kakrebi pe.
Enti ye sifin go.
Yes, CV.
Ai.
Right?
Yes.
Where to I want to remove the
seeds, no.
The seeds. And a fiber no. On say no me inquire sometimes na. Ya maybe go move bi.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. Na. Yep. Inti we na. That's all. A little more.
Easy.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you. So now we're just going to leave it I make kitchen napkin kakra fan paper and on.
Aye. Oh, yeah, what dear? Hey, oh, ma. Share. Na easy. Why a guy? Easy. I said, why we are there and one quick to do.
Maybe different kakra, but no. See, your chama rice no. Abene. Time a baby.
Na carrot no.
When it's so carrots na a bean viena semi severe. Na me chicha kakra.
Nice, I found kakra.
Yes, just a little to semi cook it.
What a healthy food.
Yeah, the shame was it will get too soggy. Yeah. Too soft. Carrots number
easy no, bra. Where have you been? Odeu?
Me chefio, me pepio.
Ada won pie.
At all.
Patch on my drink.
Oh, anything will do.
Any
me pepie cry. Something this will do. I like to stay at home. Oh yeah, me call last year say me call media tour over UK.
Okay.
Into my media house and my management team, Black Book VIP. I'm gonna call BBC. We're able to do a documentary on me, Arise TV, ABN, over like 10 big stations.
Do you know that you have contributed to the female musicians in Ghana? Why you be?
Nyame adom.
Time mo buy and na papa ne rappy, I got the rappy. Wow, and tell whom I said that rappy. And it was so on point. Like when the man delay no pepe. I'm not lying.
Yeah, say thank you so much.
Why you be?
Thank you.
Why you be? But what's new? What is new?
And what's new, dear? Duna. Oh, me face my chair.
Really?
Yeah, my work my chair. Me over here and come me faster.
Me who is that? What is new, Eazzy?
Duna yes seke kwame na MP and no anaje baby Christmas say dia same you know say sometimes me person me tete kakra na me dia ba me tete kakra na wengeza ba na kwaposhe to ba na forever ba na we aba nti Duna ne de no nyame adom
obefa pa baby I'm twerking. Duna seke.
Yes.
Na me no Duna seke.
Oh, eto na bodam.
I like that. Duna seke. Mado.
Mene kwame na MP. So big ups to it. And Uncle Beats na producing you no.
Oh, okay.
Nti started off no na Corona time in ya ejuma ye tete fie ne nyama. Almost by say 8 months I wasn't active in the industry.
Yes.
So lots of people were asking, where are you? I said I'm in Ghana, me call baby, but na me tumebo. So me call studio na me the BB bar. It would be big enough.
Yes.
You know, because I hadn't done anything through Corona. A buyer, God being good, and I'm out for just so more. Girls saying so yeah, per se shaky and nyama. You start to challenge.
It doesn't matter the size. It's about you or your dear.
At all.
I see beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder.
My name Bodam. Mommy checking me, I know.
I was back to your dear no. So simple, say mono. When we say I mess up, me pedia communicating this year.
Oh,
I say so simple, pa. And to dear,
yes.
Uko fia no akoye famonoko.
Mate.
Afisha po simple brain and kwa famonoko. Mama na show kafra. What simple brain and kwanya. Ube to me a year of fear. I am so impressed with the way I easy man kwano yeno. I am very easy no. She can so enya gidigidi bia no hodi nti won kwano kra no. Min chantro enya de so esija so.
Eche.
Easy baby. And you know I promise you say may be my baby Maxi. Oh. Me kono na beba form keke. Asa obonyom no ulo base.
Ulo base de kakra.
Keke. Na ma yebi e wo fie. At the Royal Aroma Rice, say ya mama bano.
Yep.
Now with the metro video send. Hey. Look, I love it. You know what? I love it. I love it. Very simple.
Just
I was
wash the chicken.
Yeah. Try a huaba. Yeah, ba. Say I'm pesa camera na ton kwan na ni mami. And then them one carrot rice no. Come on. Yeah, try a huaba ya ba pep Empress. Meto puno. Na me Eazzy ne a fan of McBrown's kitchen a didi na aye fair. Enu nti no me the high sense ya say Tasty Tom and tomato mix, with a Wake Purified Drinking Water, with a Launcher Kitchen, Oba Park Company Limited, Borges Olive Oil, Delay Mackerel, Delay Sardine, Royal Aroma Rice, Royal Kitchen Official Ghana, Abuafo Nye, Medomua Se, Mildred.
Hello.
You betcha waba. You bape. A Drew edition time I be didi.
Patcho you. I'm going to make cry.
Brim.
2351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Ghana for high sense domosibe bray. Neti through any apomudi adwuma for. Corona yare ba ye. Woni ye dini ye. Ye koso asre se. Abanse se odi egu akwam no. Ye nkoso na ye niso. Ye ye di entra. Se wo pe home appliances a efe. Na eche. Ne bo da form. Afe entwe power. Di obi abeka bia oboa. Eno ane high sense. High sense nema aye direct from factory. Ya na ye. Inti yetimi promotion abrebia. High sense product abeto Ghana and one over Germany and America. Your fridge, air condition, TV, washing machine, gas cooker, blender, rice cooker, mobile phones, sound system, and even break home. You have 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. Yeniamano, ya tete swama muse. Say here, no nose mask, no entry. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Darling, plain or check it?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Na to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges Classic Olive Oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges Olive Oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat, do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Meda sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be there 9.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
McBrown's kitchen ebusia for ediane pa edie sa so onim say sa fini too say na wadanya me asinti na me ho teme na masanya so sister na wasabe bo me lion soup and then the curry rice and no teacher say net me bedidi onyame ne me dinie sana wa wo hwɛ me so onyame ne wa dinie ani jinko a na mamunim sade ye no maboafo adwen me guest ho enu nto mo wa kyede pia osem de me ma me guest wa onim dada enu nto ma me na high sense ya say everyday prices for everyday people sanity with a tasty tom and rich tomato mix I say awake purified drinking water launch kitchen royal aroma rice delay mackerel delay sardine Oberpark Company Limited and a Borges olive oil. Sana Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. And now I want to say to pack no mini easy baby no wine. So what do you expect? I have to take everything easy, you know. Easy. Sorry, my friend, sister. Me trust first lady. What you say? I don't kind of friend first lady. Abaya son easy baby. Mildred.
Yes,
So we share McBrown's kitchen on himself. Nana must say Anna Miano.
Wow.
And Nyamia Dom a drew so.
Wow.
And everything here is for you.
That's a lot.
Purified drinking water, royal drinks, Nicola, and then the apple. And I made chance set, Royal Kitchen official Ghana. And a rice cooker. Yeah, who's open more? Open more so dear. Sa rice cooker if you high sense.
Okay.
Sa and a morning ye royal aroma rice and no and a delay mackerel and delay sardine and no sunye me pa chow tasty tom. And that one for be a young quine.
Baby.
Me pa chow chinabedi jollof.
Yeah,
Into me ma tasty tom.
Mate.
So chinabedi jollof.
Mate.
No ma sama roy me ma wano crab prepu. Borges. So if you believe in healthy eating,
yes, I do.
Borges.
I do.
So,
I do.
Yes, I wear apple cider. You know the kama.
Very nice.
It is a Mildred.
Yes.
Easy baby. And near my
also pound. Oh, meniaje ho. These are way too much. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. You will do it, Diana. The latest song.
Hey, near MiPROMO. Hey,
do ne. Second. What working class and I mean, I said that.
Make me start it.
My body. I'm the DJ.
Hey.
So what? Yeah. You're very much a fan. G4.
Hey. Do ne. Second. Second, oh father, do it. Come on, hey, it's on the audio, but send you free. Chairman, you go be a happy because maintenance and you don't get any trimping. Are you a learner? We a beginner. Hey, I'll say how quiet
DJ. Now my brand and my chapel mama and I can say. Me doffo, me fun, me share with that. But I know you love me.
I love you a lot.
I know. Mama check with your mom. Feel at home. Dear Diana no said the Tiano. Now I come on press watch rain. Patch, are you okay? And I'm found brain mukakra.
Me okay.
Oh, you okay? Wait a minute. Continue. Yes. Also, where they are paying. Bound name. Oh. Madame Fortuna said, easy.
Yes, in service. So, Osaya, what make us start a rapid by force. I
knew. I was young quine. I found a member swear. Young quine on me.
It looks good. Beautiful.
That's right. Corona by young Chinese dear Diana share. I was here for McBrown's kitchen near Ediana Pet Day. Yes, sir, for your home. Ye dibrunya. Sadam nimsa was where they would know we are cocoa. Until no, Minu and I are cocoa. Now, Ediana said, Tijifa. Adia, Jerry was something out of you. Because they are about 2 years.
Yes,
Yes,
Why home a cons for Diana?
Why home a cons pay home? Miss Rock, come
site.
Oh, sir. The one side girls. Serious? Yeah, Ben, yeah.
Maybe 2017.
Oh, okay. Maybe 2003.
Maybe tell stories.
Sir? Hey.
Now you say independent prefects. We are home cons.
Ampa. What's that, Jayo? Do you like it? Different type of soup. When we are restaurants now, we have shrimp soup, carrot soup, then
we never be a one. Hey, give them back to all. Free minimum Instagram. What? Anna, what do you have pay? Now, if I we are there, Juma.
Me a student at University of Ghana, level 400.
Level
400.
Okay. And now study that.
We study family and consumer science.
Hey, a train watch. Instagram, your friends say
but my Instagram handle it's _Jifa_.
I call McBrown's kitchen.
Yeah, my mommy.
Aye. Well, and now about life. Who dear do you be? When you dear do you say first lady,
schoolmate,
school madam,
Cytarians.
Yes. And then that will come as so over country and I'll be some.
It's answer me in the course school back. I saw one person make a train and he said, "Okay, mama in school any my benyam no." Into baby or ye be our own sonye na yeshem.
Oh, thank you. That means a lot to me. That's beautiful.
This is beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
If I was around there, I can say, "Some be our dream," but my dream just a winning the whole year. Thank you. I feel enjoy woman me again. So senior.
Tell me what you think. Do you like it?
I like it.
I'm glad you do.
It's impartial.
Yes, yeah.
And no matter your boy Jifa every year entry there.
Do you know?
If I too much. Sign you me. Why not try?
And you wrong. We can't send you the buy a cry and
let me
for you say them say and answer this. When you make come when you want to say, you know, it's only the idea, but any free. Chairman, we be here. We be here because maintenance. Nya no keke na de twempena. Are you a learner? We a beginner. Sir. Ooh, wow. Mama ma ofela hwe semetena oso na me woso. 1 2 1 shot. Obe. Me de me safifa obo. Me ne kwame na working on song now. Kwame na ye ne parts now. Ono no ye ne parts ne first me send them no. No send them na me post studio and na me vie me parts no so nti. I dare me say most of girls know if I say a company to me can't. They were very spokesperson.
And my
yes, especially my taking mandate, you know. Yeah.
Wow.
That's why.
And no brand I didn't
across them never winning in any day. Metro.
What's say?
Metro.
Young Kanakase. Do they say Abba Yedisa?
The Jammy Pan.
You go so at the jam.
Yes.
I just on your my video there to YouTube and I say, oh, baby, you'll be with me down.
Well, baby, so open your laptop, with me for Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Music, Tidal, every platform, every music platform. And a video also there. The BIO person will show me BIO be YouTube, TV stations, everywhere. Wow. And I'm very happy that Ghanaians have really accepted the song because sometimes they criticize songs a lot. But I feel like music is relatable when it comes from an honest place. I will say musicians, to me, feel free. I can't hear more person more can when you why I related to one now wafa. Why won't pen now on fire. But when they say rules and regulations, oh yeah, my mom can say now and limit the beauty of music. And you remember in Quan's number catcher and say, Oba body FA, Oba say, body in the hair, yes, I am coming and hook.
Where have you been?
I don't go out. So last time I went home, I've released Proposito, I've released Forever, I've released songs, but I was an introvert. Let me share them. And even though I'm still in the music industry, they say, there was some call baby, and I'm showing up with my fans now. I'm usually in the house or at work. Other business I'm a year from aside music, no. My man attention kakra. Aside that, no. I just like to stay home. Me and Pepe, and a dear, most of industry people don't see me a lot.
Yeah.
Me prefer around.
All of a sudden, easy baby. You're easy. You know what's in your no kind of near day.
What's in your TV? So
yeah.
I'm trying. I think, sir, for me, it's the most difficult part, and it's a very big challenge for me personally as a person. Now,
if somebody needs you for an event, program, be easy, okay.
Yeah. Come social media. My bookings line, my management number. It's anything you want me for, say a party, say a show, say appearance, interviews, once you call the number.
Price be an answer, it is very easy as you are.
It's moderate. We can negotiate. Okay. Well, it depends on the type of show, who the person is, the number of people attending the show, a lot of factors. And see, if our manager and know we can't have them now, but it's difficult, sir.
Oh, okay.
But me just start the whole day. Sad time na me pay. Sad time na me pay.
You're right. So what's next for Eazzy?
Oh, I'm just ready to get back into the studios, work harder, put more music out there, keep my fans happy, And so this year is going to be a lot of music, lots of new projects, foreign and international shows, and bonding with the fans. But some more we need you pound.
Easy, bravo, and we love you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ooh, McBrown's kitchen.
That's
Pedro. As a shit, I will walk. As a name, I'll be near the day. Into Eazzy, my embo handles the Eazzy official and as the Eazzy.
That's Eazzy First Lady everywhere on Twitter, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Eazzy First Lady 1. But every other place, even on YouTube, it's Eazzy First Lady.
That's right.
Yeah.
Jiva, Sisu,
it's _Jifa_.
It's _Jifa_. That's my baby right here. I was saying that was say, and that's when I show McBrown's kitchen. Me that say, me kono dada me, but what I say, I'm taking it easy, like easy, baby. I don't me that one for I say high sense, tasty tongue, delay mackerel, delay sardine. I wait purified drinking water. Oberpark Company Limited. Borges olive oil. Royal Aroma rice. Launcher kitchen. And a Royal Kitchenware official gun. Abuafuni. Easy baby.
Yeah.
Medofo. Bookie if you launcher kitchen ho. Launcher 8 na year me kitchen mama. Omuye enyuma pi. Closet. Bibia. Intimpacho. Se bibini. Now here launcher for.
Okay.
Booking into a discount. Koho mami. Why?
Thank you.
Sana. Me mau. Hand sanitizer kasapreko.
Ghana for.
Corona eba ye hand sanitizer timino pa boy home by me. Me can for mau.
Thank you.
And ye that's so about McBrown's kitchen order.
Thank you for having me.
I have to give you one of this pa vinegar we. You've had the goose your more or warm water now no ma. Ober from me adamas. And as all the honeycomb craft fra. What I say? Morning, afternoon. Just say, wow, no, Ober fall in love. Where's your hand sanitizer? Empress, number 1. Gia, me pacho. Where's your chance? Royal Kitchenware for Shia Ghana and a swimming farmer. And I'm a pacho. Where's your day? Iron. High sense. Swimming fan dawasi. Iti nyama when you na your dear. If I found when you, who was I do now? Yanko.
Second.
Let's see, I near my audio. Be a me party. Hey, me ba. Be a no baby. Wow, dear, that's all. DJ,
let's go.
Why right here? My easy baby Duna. Na yem fan cry adofo. Ya dam one sedodo. But hey.
Do that. Side. Do that. Mado.
Inga dune. Hey, give us time, baby. Okay, bako.
That's what it is. Hey, but send you free. Share my digo bia. Hey, what's my free? Let's go. Maintenance. And ya no kekene de chimpena. Are you alone? Ooh, wow. Hey.
Una odia. And you know now, dear.
They are giving you
a Yada said, Dodo, when na count a mark on the yadep. I know to be now, Chancellor. Apishapo.
McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow, so when you know, no, am I in here, yet to Kano, get it bow, so when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen.